Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the Lollipop Chainsaw RePOP. Alright, is the remaster worth it? Well, let's find out. First, let's talk about the graphics and visuals. The remaster gives Lollipop Chainsaw a fresh coat of paint. The visuals are significantly upgraded with sharper textures and improved character models that make Juliet and her vibrant world pop even more. The lighting effects have also been enhanced, which adds a nice touch to the game's already colorful aesthetic. Fans of the original will appreciate how the remaster captures the quirky, over-the-top style while bringing it to modern standards. Alright, the gameplay remains largely intact, maintaining the fun and frantic hack and slash mechanics that define the original. However, some quality of life improvements have been made. The controls feel tighter and there are adjustments to combat mechanics that enhance fluidity and responsiveness. New players might find it more accessible, while veterans will enjoy their refined experience. Now let's talk about the sound and music. The soundtrack has been revamped, featuring both classic tracks and new additions that fit the game's energetic vibe. The voice acting is still charming and adds to the humor of the story, although some original voice lines have been re-recorded, which may stir up mixed feelings among longtime fans. Overall, the audio experience is solid but great. And you might ask about the content additions. The remaster includes some bonus content that wasn't in the original release. This includes new outfits, challenges, and possibly new story elements that add depth without altering the core narrative. These additions help to enrich replayability and give players more to explore. And as for the nostalgia factor, for those who played the original in 2020, Lollipop Chainsaw RePOP is a nostalgia trip down memory lane, with all the crappy humor and over-the-top actions that made it a cult favorite. The remaster does a great job of maintaining the spirit-ful, polishing aspects that may have aged poorly. So, is the remaster worth it? If you love the original or enjoy quirky, campy action games, then absolutely. The improvements in graphics and gameplay mechanics along with the content, but make it a worthwhile investment. For newcomers, this remaster is a fantastic entry point into a unique and fun gaming experience. While it may not reinvent the wheel, it lovingly updates a classic that deserves to be revisited. Alright, if you found this review helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.